This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location services on the Safari app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now. To enable or disable location services for the Safari app, the first thing you want to do is go into your device's settings. I'm going to tap on the Settings app. Then I'm going to go down towards the very bottom, down to where it says Apps, and I'm going to tap on Apps. Then on this page, I'm going to look for Safari. These are in alphabetical order, so I'm going to scroll down to the S's. Right here is Safari. I'm going to tap on Safari. Then I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to this section right here. At the very bottom, Location. I'm going to tap on Location. And it says Location Access on all websites. By default, it's probably set to Ask. You could tap on Deny to not allow to disable location services, or you could tap on Allow to allow location services on the Safari app. But that is how you enable or disable location services on the Safari app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.